Students worried about board exams? No worries. Excel Tuition Goa board is ready to help you out in your exams. Here are the most important and frequently asked MCQs for you. Full revision in a glance. बच्चों, एक्सेल ट्यूशन गोवा बोर्ड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। एग्ज़ाम का टेंशन लेने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। अब एक्सेल ट्यूशन आपके लिए लाया है MCQs, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs and frequently asked questions, that is MCQs and FAQs. In the last video, we have uploaded MCQs on Social Science 1. In this video, we will upload video on MCQs on a science subject for standard 10th. SSC के बच्चों के लिए MCQs and most important and frequently asked questions we will be solving. So let us start. First, select the most correct alternative given below each statement and write the completed statement. First, cataract is the condition caused when the dash. Here are the options. First is ciliary muscles become weak. Second, crystalline lenses become cloudy. Third, eyeballs elongates. Fourth, eye lens has excessive curvature. And the correct option is crystalline lens becomes cloudy. Second question is, a ray which emerges through a convex lens without deviation is dash. Options are parallel to the principal axis. Second option is passing through the principal focus. Third option is passing through 2F. Fourth option is passing through the optical center. And the correct option is parallel to the principal axis. A ray which emerges through a convex lens without deviation is parallel to the principal axis. Statement number 3. The alloy of iron which is hard and does not rust is dash. Options are bronze, brass, stainless steel and solder. And the correct option is stainless steel. Fourth statement है, diamond is an allotrope of dash. Options are silicon, selenium, sulfur and carbon. And the correct option is carbon. Diamond is an allotrope of carbon. Fifth question है, the filtration unit present in kidneys are dash. Options are neurons, nephrons, ureters and uterus. And the correct option is nephrons. Sixth question is, the enzyme which help to digest protein in the alimentary canal are first amylase and lipase and pepsin and trypsin and amylase. And the correct option is pepsin and trypsin. Seventh statement is, most of the refraction of light entering the human eye occurs at a dash. Options are crystalline lens, cornea, iris and retina. And the correct option is cornea. Next question is, Chipko Andolan was started dash. Options are to oppose the Tehri Dam of the river Ganga, to oppose the increase of height of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Third option है to oppose the felling of trees in Garhwal. Fourth option है for the protection of Khejri trees in Rajasthan. And the correct option is to oppose the felling of trees in Garhwal. Question number 9. Biodiversity hotspots are dash. Options are the crop fields. Second option is the gardens. third the forest, and fourth the aquarium. And the correct option is the forest. Biodiversity hotspots are forest. 10th question is, in the laboratory, lime water is used for testing dash. Options are carbon dioxide, second option is iodine, third option is starch, fourth option is hydrogen, and the correct option is carbon dioxide. Question number 11. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and dash. Options are oxalic acid, acetic acid, tartaric acid, and citric acid. And the correct option is tartaric acid. Question number 12. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother through dash. Options are fallopian tube, vas deferens, placenta, and uterus, and the correct option is placenta. Question number 13. The female reproductive part of the flower is dash. Options are stamen, anther, sepal, and carpel, and the correct option is carpel or androecium. Question number 14. A concave mirror forms a real images at the same position of the object. Therefore, the object is placed. Options are beyond C, at C, between C and F, and at F. And the correct option is at C. Question number 15. The center of the reflecting surfaces of the spherical mirror is called dash. First option is center of curvature, principal focus, pole, and aperture, and the correct option is pole. 16th statement is, the waste product formed by the plants during photosynthesis is dash. Options are carbon dioxide, oxygen, resins and gums, and carbohydrates, and the correct option is oxygen. Question number 17. One of the product of aerobic as well as anaerobic respiration is dash. Options are lactic acid, ethanol, carbon dioxide, and oxygen, and the correct option is carbon dioxide. Question number 18. If an electric current changes its direction after every 1/200 seconds, then the frequency of AC current is dash. Options are 400 Hz, 200 Hz, 100 Hz, and 50 Hz. So here by calculating we are getting here 100 Hz. The correct option is 100 Hz. Magnetic field lines due to electric current at the center of the loop are dash. Options are concentric rings, straight lines, convergent lines, and divergent lines. And the correct option is straight lines. Magnetic field lines due to electric current at the center of the loop are straight lines. Question number 20. The refractive index of benzene is 1.5 if the velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The velocity of light in benzene will be dash. Options are 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, 4 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And the correct option is, after calculating, we are getting 2 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Question number 21. The bottom of the beaker containing water appears raised due to dash. Options are reflection of light, refraction of light, deviation of light, and dispersion of light, and the correct option is refraction of light. Question number 22. The bell in temples and churches are made of metals because metals are. Options are hard, malleable, ductile, and sonorous, and the correct option is sonorous. Question number 23. During electrolytic refining, the insoluble impurities collected at the bottom of the electrolytic cell is called dash. Options are precipitate, gangue, a node, mud and rust, and the correct option is a node, mud. Question number 24. Growth hormone is secreted by dash: thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland and salivary gland, and the correct option is pituitary gland. Thyroid hormone is secreted by pituitary gland. Our involuntary action are controlled by dash. Options are the cerebrum, the cerebellum, the pons and the medulla, and the correct option is medulla. Our involuntary actions are controlled by medulla. Question number 26. Bronze is an alloy of dash. Options are copper and zinc, lead and tin, copper and tin, iron, nickel and chromium. And the correct option is copper and tin. Question number 27. Aluminum is used for making cooking utensil because dash. Options are it is a good conductor of electricity, it is a good conductor of heat, it is very reactive and it is resistant to corrosion. And the correct option is good conductor of heat. Aluminum is used for making cooking utensil because it is good conductor of heat. Question number 29. Photosynthesis takes place in the presence of dash. Options are sunlight and chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Third option is carbon dioxide and sunlight. Fourth option is carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. And the correct option is sunlight and chlorophyll. Question number 30. Saliva contains an enzyme called dash. Options are pepsin, lipase, amylase and trypsin. And the correct option is amylase. Question number 31. The device that works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current is dash. Options are an electric oven, an electric fan, an electric fuse, an electric geyser. And the correct option is an electric fan. Question number 32. The instrument that can detect the presence of current in a circuit is dash. Options are first a voltmeter, an ammeter, a galvanometer and a solenoid. And the correct option is a galvanometer. Question number 33. If an object is placed at a distance 20 cm from a convex lens of focal length 10 cm, the image formed will be dash. Options are virtual, erect and of the same size of the object. Second, virtual, erect and smaller than the object. Third, real, inverted and the same size of an object. Real, inverted and smaller than the object. And the correct option is virtual, erect and the same size of the object. Question number 34. In a slide projector, the slide is placed dash at f of the convex lens, at 2f of the convex lens, between f and 2f of the convex lens, within the focal length of the convex lens. And the correct option is between f and 2f of the convex lens. Question number 35. In the house electrical wiring, the color of the insulation used for the live wire, the neutral wire and the earth wire are dash. Options are red, green and black respectively. Red, black and green respectively. Third option is green, red and black respectively. Fourth option is green, black and red respectively. And the correct option is red, black and green respectively. Question number 36. A split ring commutator is used in a generator to dash. Options are to produce large current, to produce alternating current, produce direct current and reverse the direction of flow of current. And the correct option is reverse the direction of flow of current. Question number 37. When a person suffers from indigestion, the home remedy to be given to him is dash. Options are sodium carbonate. Second option is sodium chloride. Third option is sodium hydrogen carbonate. And fourth option is sodium hydroxide. And the correct option is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Question number 38. A solution turns blue litmus paper red. The pH of the solution is likely to be 6, 8, 10 or 12. And the correct option is pH is 6. Question number 39. During photosynthesis, the waste product of plant is dash. Carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, oxygen and starch. And the correct option is oxygen. Unutilized energy derived from the food we eat is stored as dash. Options are starch, carbohydrates, glycogen and pyruvate, and the correct option is glycogen. Question number 41. Hardness of water is due to dash. First option is calcium and sodium salts. Second option is sodium and potassium salts. Third option is calcium and magnesium salts. And fourth option is magnesium and potassium salts. And the correct option is calcium and magnesium salts. Question number 42. Amoeba reproduce by dash. Options are fragmentation, multiple fission, binary fission, regeneration. And the correct option is binary fission. Question number 43. In human beings, the female egg released by the ovary is carried by dash. Options are ureters, fallopian tube, pollen tube and vas deferens. And the correct option is fallopian tube. In human being, the female eggs released by the ovary is carried by fallopian tube. Question number 44. The commercial unit of energy is dash and the options are volt, ampere, kilowatt per hour and ohm. And the correct option is kWh. Question number 45. In an electric circuit, the component that regulates current without changing the voltage source is dash. Options are electromagnet, armature, commutator and rheostat. And the correct option is rheostat. Question number 46. Rhizopus reproduces by dash. Options are budding, spore formation, binary fission and regeneration. And the correct option is spore formation. Question number 47. In the uterus, the embryo gets nutrition through dash. Options are ureters, oviduct, placenta and ovary. And the correct option is placenta. Question number 48. The process by which fats and oils are oxidized is called dash. Options are corrosion, rancidity, precipitation, reproduction. And the correct option is rancidity. Question number 49. Silver chloride decomposes in the presence of dash. Options are heat, moisture, electricity and sunlight. And the correct option is sunlight. The silver chloride decomposes in the presence of sunlight. Now here is the 50th questions, students. If you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board channel, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and comment if you want any more videos to help you out in exams. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Now question number 50. The far point of normal eye in human being is dash. Options are 25 cm, 250 cm, infinity and 2.5 cm. And the correct option is infinity. Question number 51. The apparent flattering of the sun's disk at sunrise and sunset is due to dash. Options are dispersion of light, atmospheric refraction, Tyndall effect and scattering of light. And the correct option is atmospheric refraction. Question number 52. Enzyme trypsin convert proteins into dash. Options are glycerol, amino acid, citric acid and starch. And the correct option is amino acid. Enzymes trypsin convert protein into amino acids. Question number 53. A 3-carbon molecule formed from glucose during respiration in our body is dash. Options are lactic acid, acetic acid, ethanol and pyruvate. And the correct option is pyruvate. Question number 54. The slurry produced in a biogas plant is rich in dash. Options are sodium and chloride, sodium and fluoride, nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. And the correct option is nitrogen and phosphorus. Question number 55. Silver is used in dash. Options are the preparation of solar cells, the interconnection of solar cell in solar panels, supporting structure of solar panel and solar cooker. And the correct option is interconnection of the solar cell in solar panels. Question number 56. The alloy whose constituents are lead and tin is dash. Options are brass, bronze, solder and steel. And the correct option is solder. All metal exist in the same physical state except dash. Options are gold, mercury, aluminum and copper. And the correct option is mercury. Question number 57. The correct structure of ethanoic acid is dash. Here are the 4 structures is given. 1, 2, option 3 and option 4. And the correct option is option 3, CH3C double bond OOH is the correct option. Question number 56. The pair that gives a displacement reaction is dash. Options are CuSO4 solution and iron metal, FeSO4 solution and copper metal, ZnSO4 solution and iron metal, MgCl2 solution and aluminum metal. And the correct option is CuSO4 solution and iron metal. Question number 57. When calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water, it produces calcium hydroxide. This is a dash reaction. Options are decomposition and exothermic, combination and exothermic, decomposition and endothermic, combination and endothermic. And the correct option is combination and exothermic because heat is evolved. Question number 58. The part of the eye that regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye is dash. Retina, pupil, iris and cornea. And the correct option is pupil. Question number 59. Phenomenon of scattering of light by colloidal particle is called dash. Options are reflection, refraction, Tyndall effect and deflection. And the correct option is Tyndall effect. Question number 60. Aluminum is obtained by the electrolytic reduction of dash. Options are aluminum sulfide, aluminum oxide, aluminum carbonate, aluminum nitrate. And the correct option is aluminum oxide. Question number 61. Iodine is a non-metal and it is dash, malleable, ductile, sonorous and lustrous. And the correct option is lustrous. Iodine is a non-metal and it is lustrous. Question number 62. Brown fumes emitted when lead nitrate is heated are dash, nitrous oxide, lead and nitric acid. And the correct option is nitrous oxide. Question number 63. Respiration is an example of dash. Exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, displacement reaction and precipitation reaction. And the correct option is exothermic reaction. Question number 64. The dash light bends the least during dispersion. Options are green, violet, red and orange. And the correct option is red. Students, if you like our channel, kindly subscribe, share with your friends. And if you have any difficulty in any subject, then kindly describe it in a comment box. कमेंट में वैसे जो आपको वीडियो चाहिए वो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए. I will help you out. Now we'll read the last question. When sunlight passes through a canopy of dense forest, a Tyndall effect is seen due to the presence of dash in the mist. Options are water droplets, dust particles, smoke and molecules of air. And the correct option is water droplets. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.